Well, good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm dusting the cobwebs off this Tefal air fryer. I'm going to make a breakfast because it's the morning, and I'm calling it a breakfast because it's got eggs in it. I know I shouldn't do that, but I'm going to anyway. So it's based on a Tefal recipe, but I've got some slight changes. Anyway, I'll show you as we go along. I've got some of these lovely little plum tomatoes here. I'm going to cut these up, not a lot, just a little bit, and probably use about 5 or 6. 3 of these lovely fresh eggs, and some spinach, just to make it really healthy. Firstly, I'm going to go in with a small amount of butter, and that goes, and a little drop of milk. Not too much. Put the lid down. There, we've just melted that down a little bit. Well, melted down the butter anyway. Then add 3 whole eggs that I've whisked. Okay, so it's had 4 minutes. Let's open the lid and see what we've got. Oh yeah, scrambled egg. We'll just mix that around a little bit. That'll give it a helping hand. Then in with our tomatoes, which you can see I've chopped up a little bit. Then in with a good handful of chopped spinach leaves. That's it, and they go. And we'll put that lid down and we'll start it off again. Okay, so after a further 5 minutes, so I suppose this has taken 10 minutes in all, this is what we end up with, a delicious breakfast. I'll just plate this up and then you can see what it really looks like. I must say, that does make a really refreshing change. What a lovely breakfast. Makes a change from your usual whatever you might have. It's yeah, it's got all the flavours. It's scrambled egg with a difference. It's based on a Tefal recipe, but I give it a few little twists of my own, so it's not quite the same. It is mine. And anyway, thank you everybody for stopping by and watching this video of mine on my channel. Please like and subscribe, and well, yeah, what more can I say? I'm going to finish my breakfast and leave you to it. Hope you all have a very, very nice day, and I shall see you all again next time. Bye for now.